Yeah, for Michelle will be with a very quick now. Yeah, sorry. And you ready? Me wo social media me share na me hu news item bia ene nam e hono ma ye ko he sa akwa kwa me plus sometimes I say we say e do bemben so bi obi ho a we confuse na ato ne nkwase akeka me nkwate a we say Rollins want something better for Ghana, but MPP are very wicked people, and they did not allow Rollins. Nana Rollins were doing Pama Ghana. Sometimes obi kasa, I say Nyansa kasa ne bi ni team. Sa kwano, o kasa because Nyansa ni team. Rollins ebe ye ku 1979. MZ sa kwano so ni history. Say akwala no ye say sebi say ye Jimmy enso mintimi. Good evening. Sorry Plaza. Rollins ba be ye ku 1979. But I say, ebe two a champion. Oye ku ni wie ye no. Ene didi mu a. Ene eto aba. Ene o hand over. Ene Liman dey take over. So, good day, bro. This game. Ye to aba ni wie ye no. Ye to aba ni wie 70 you know. Liman take over. 81. 31st December. Ene o san be ye den. Obeye ku biu. Ese Liman na mamu ne nema ya kone nkoyi to betu no na Rollins de betena so Rollins tena so from 81 what na so amafo for so yes no we have to see back to democratic rule one chance tena so mani ko si 1992 if in 91 na e ba ni nyina na ye tro omo yes de beba back to democratic way bi. And in 1992, your true constitution, and your kotuaba, your tuaban will be ana sabi when you kakra, and I say when you fika kran. May 92, first I buy 2 year man to be because I'm in 18 years, 92. 92 man to abani be bad mekai near was secondary school that time. Did near man, I was in secondary school that time. It's a tuaban, 92 fact. Now you're 2 presidential and then you're 2 parliamentary. You're 2 presidential ni wie no. 92 and sana even political party MPP esamba back. 92 and I T MPP and MPP samba back. Those say you say MPP tradition no. You go way back from UP tradition. You buzia emre. It will be general say Rollins wants something better for Ghana and MPP is wickeder. Now who nipa na kasa say unim nyansa. If the time of Rollins eba ya obeye kuno, now there was no MPP that time. Now MPP ni ho. Now that time UP tradition no disintegrate ama we afa. Even Rollins kra time PNDC time o mampani dada kofo ni some of the MPP we no kra. People serve ewo PNDC ni any ade. Enti se wo no se wa bon na unim history of Ghana. Na se wo de ya o bitterness kwam ye plus but na wo be kan kwase asem se MPP for ye wiki the same wicked MPP no na wo kodi akira ya ma wo ye contract se ya nye contract no wanu ene wo kwase asem a me anye contract na free wo nsem a enga wo su de MPP achi wo pa niema nyina anti wo ko pe kolebu contract onipa baako wo bufu a free amanfo de niema ba habo that time no wutimi ko dina nim Emma Crawford, and now sorry, I was fight corruption. Woo and Crawford in your mama habo kodia nim. Say wo minim panibi. Kasi ya your body ocean in your man. Nina no na we. What I say? And then Nina bow. Now bufu free. Now bufu, now buni free. And I be now saying. What nimu history? Go and learn Ghana's history. Tama Rollins war power no. MPP eba out. 92 constitution ni by na buzia tradition no what I say true that no dan say bi ne 24 o dey sites mu any ade any other 24 bebre founding members no omo samba ayi a omo de be for me MPP because before 1992 constitution no na yem bi ekwan ma political party bia after constitution no ye throw we ya ye bi ekwan sisi am ready ya sanya back to democracy we bi ye go back and adubu ahemo that time me and kwala me kai circle ye ma kwan ya ba fie omo be ye campaign e wo circle ba bia ma me dokunu yi wo imra fi ho din kakra na edimika na ekọ bia mancha agban na e wa kra ene ade ni edimika na ekọ na na wa ba be gina ho se MPP is wiki no mo na ma Rollins kwan ya no wa bodam wa dwen nya djuma wa ja say why wa dwen say wo the MPP beto approach yan no mu bi no we won't sit there for you to just talk anyhow if say yan yakasa ma MPP enya ahwe wo kra no you are benefited than most of MPP guys are on my break e dey impact na making for MPP why na wo ya wotimi diska kra bre MPP da enso yanum bia yete abrochire ha yetumi eye bibi nkrofo bisa ya ma ebinumu etimi koye MPP adoye some people with their own free will obi o ha otimi frame kofi mpese me koye sei na ma kire no se bia say we good fafa kwan we so na ye ya njiska na ni MPP ba ye mu bia yete abrochire ye adwuma we are not lazy we are not bootlickers like you would you bootlicking apart from bootlicking adwuma ben wider enyum na boy sky na onyan no I sorry I will say Rollins na MPP ayeden Tama Rollins by 81 no now MPP ben wo 1981 was there any MPP around from 81 to 91 was there any MPP around Rollins cry to aba 1992 o we ni and na your constitution in mark one for every president who was just 2 terms after ultimately 2 terms are umabio former president Mama the enti oba say why do 1 term pe it's a say constitution mandating for another term into a term no cry want me even unlikely event so we need even 2020 cry and the last term want me to ask you it is a woni made na se wa bon wa go and learn your way then stop MPP a wiki nyame na betua wo kapa god nyame nyankopon will punish you people who have gave you money even and two way you go to some of the MPP people and I blame some of the executives and a mauska oh sorry I know we know a lot of things about you we are but I know a lot of things you go to some of the MPP people they give you money no MPP person no none nobody in MPP and I frame me cry telephone cry keke cry encourage me that nobody no one in MPP no one that be now the MPP massa so we need jumadi now but MPP a political party am go for don o kan yen so ba be ka bi a chew abi jira say Rollins wants something better MPP did not allow him and then MPP for here Rollins here to about 1992 o we ni 1996 he won after that Rollins on team to asubio said the constitution it here no the political party here NDC omo ma power 2008 the NDC ama power and 2016 and MPP NDC every power on one party what power cry at the end of man fanye no as former president you sit there and talk anyhow you think say Ghana phobia na Jimmy to say and people are not sabi they have no sense so you can come out and talk any bullshit I'm not MPP or MPP but you are benefited from MPP for what did you MPP mu what I say what bu free for MPP mu nyame betua o kapa ho sa boy we what did you MPP mu one no ana ma waduane abo one no if you say yemfa MPP bia amount who go pay kwalebu contract enti who go din trato say now I blame MPP leaders say you don't go court na MPP for no we dey yan matter na nka na say come do go court na yesi wu na wunya skantua na obi ahu na so mu si wo wanya skantua de wo bi akro mo nye na mo first can go children's home your friend is saying omo eni bi no but because you are saying some because you are court na man for paper achew MPP executive I know the MPP executives who beg for you I know all of them omo pa omo dem I can mention all their names here I'm not afraid because I'm speaking the truth and omo call and omo paper achew na kwasi asem ye de che wo sori anu abigina edidi asamo aboati mu ujimi won so omde wasem court omo ana mpanifo munyi free court munye say wo sori anu abigina asamo aboati and na extra de make court go and ask the people who beg for you. We know a lot. Mama for the pacho and yashi munjamu maninka unim Ghana. What I say near Jema Manaka. Usori anu do anwa si MPP masa. You can never bring MPP down. And the MPP for 2020 16 election. And ya wo and ama MPP winning. I'm telling you. You did nothing to help MPP. You did nothing. You did nothing, absolutely nothing. You tonight yeah Juma every year many are suffering. I'm for koda Togo border so. Ekoda come obi fra brochire ha. Free ha kokoda tamale. Oda ent ayi ka mu antontom ne niam awi no. Ono kura wanya hwe ne wasa betena Holland a so. What I say? Boy ba ko aminim no nyame nko anke ekunu wokumase because of election ti. MPP hunti. Kwa siasem kwa. Usori anu abetena ho eka mu asem. Ena we you say na we you say. Udi aba na ye. Unim krofo brebre. You know what people did for MPP? I'm up for my life at your line. People at my life. Me in Kamiko Ghana, my wife from so my minko. What I say? Kamiko, and I'm wife say no. Me my uncle. Yeah, and I say no. But dear do we have to help MPP so me winning. That level no any do ye. See a tree on I know many people from abroad. Call voter region. I call supervisor election. I do ye chase binum. A binum room. Unim krofo brabre. Oh sorry na wo beka nsem hu. You know how MPP bra mo bra ya ansana omutimi secure victory. What did you do for MPP? Na MPP this. Wa be drown kan kwase asem. Na Rollins ayi. Otan hu say efri fa. This sort of bitterness why efri masa go get a life. Koko pe juma ye ne. Koko pe juma ye. What I say? There are young people who are working to survive, despite their party way. Every day, MPP this, MPP that. Who didn't pass us no. Abe General say Rollins and Kobe your money ye. MPP is wicked. I use what bodamana. MPP Tama Rollins in your bay be 19 years. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, military ruler. We know one I'll copy one. One a hindrance man Rollins say Rollins here military ruler. MPP so bad. Tama Kufo ba power. E dia ne hu se Rollins here. E dia be na NDC fo anye e opposition. Enka no kra ne be ka se Kufo na pe bibi pa ma Ghana. NMP NDC fo amakwan. E kwan be no man fa Kufo anfa so Ghana. Ada ye nyina yesi ya hu. Tama Rollins ba 81 na me yakwala na me suade. 92 man to aba na me sua. But I saw everything that went on. Yen area ba bi e to abododo dio. O ya MPP ni kra. O pie kra ko to aba be kai. That time, now obi bebre wo ha wusu ye de hunhura ene niema abegina ho na wo bia wa no ti se de wo ye bibia ma MPP abroso what I say wo ye hwan se MPP be lusu election anya wo nti MPP lost election 2000 no not because of you and MPP won 2016 not because of Kwame A+. You are nothing. We are nothing. You don't contribute anything to MPP's now blame MPP executives. Muna mi blame mu. Mun famani see the full soldiers na ebre no ho. You waste time on this non-entity. Kwame A+ nti. Or sorry of so you. You people waste time and money on this guy. But there are people on life eye danger. Ebi mu ho kra area omote no mutimi na fie. One of Kwani guy bi aminim no. Me pese me boni din. This guy ti Accra. So say na daddy. Ekwo the stronghold of NDC. Now, omukoko bo abano ho ban. Ordinary life eto ho. Because of so person MPP ba power MPP ba ye omu fi ne da. Enso boy no nkasa, oye na djuma e na okọ nanim. So, now the sorry adabia na udi sabi and MPP I say udi penifo atem. You are insulting everybody. But MPP so is a party. They have helped you. You have enjoyed from MPP. MPP among sika bebredi. Many of these MPP youths bebre are nothing. Omunya trader. And so they put their life online for MPP. They put their life online. Now executives in way ya next time you have a quick election 2020. You have to know the people what the party at heart. Don't allow people good looking opportunities like Kwame A+ near MPP. Muma the full soldiers now. Ebi you omoyem ene omakomam eye adwuma de boa party no mumma mani nku nkrofo no because they are the ones ebebo omo no say someone few they have nothing to lose mo na mo lose election asebe mumu bebre no what I say empempen bebre no ebi a enema bebre be kwatiam eti adan And a Rollins this who be din truck kakrakawi say Rollins no person obo Ghana na MPP na. Kwasi antro say he free. Rollins aya military ruler. Ghana ni ben na woman home ne so kra wa Ghana. Wo ye business kra wan twa ye be collapse wo business. One na no ye bold say Rollins ye we kra obetima call. After Rollins buy even up to friends 2000 sa time no Rollins no nko biu. So Rollins no be ko biu a nko be san wini. Even 2000 na say Rollins president ko be san wini. Esa military rule nti na Ghana fo bebre su. Na Ghana fo bebre kra su. No abegina wa say na from 81 to 92 na MPP wen. 81 to 92 na your MPP party bi o. Obi e wa no kasa ya sabe nya oni Jimmy for na kasa obi anyimi ti say o. Obi yenu bebre adwuma bie. What I say Ghana ho you wani bie for ho pa. You don't think say you are talking to fools. We all know Ghana's history and a Ghana political history. Ye nyina yenim. E kwan Rollins dey ba power. Obi anywa we see Rollins kwan. Military ruler for 11 years. Wasamba be ye democratic ruler for 2 years. Na ugina won so obi esi ukwan a all these years no e kwan be na obi si MPP for e ya una wo mu na wo di mu asem no we some of us we won't allow you to do that nonsense. Opa me ya ye me when you insult me I will come back again. I'll come back again. I'm not for bebre suffer for MPP. Meaning boys bebre entina bebre buofu no go to Kumasi. There are so young ones omo ye adwuma o ebi ja omo adwuma to ho say no ye person o man ko ye do MPP party no ye nim so omo ba o man Ghana beko they put their lives online. MPP party ba ekra even tontorwa say ayabomuko kra omo anya bi, but these people are not complaining, they are working kakra omo be di na ko ma no. And I'm cite example kire wo no minimum obi o Holland ya menen nati kromo ya o say na daje ekotena Ghana onipa no onim IT mu pa onim IT ekotena Ghana eboa ye ene niema MPP ba power yam friend krampo an constituency e danase enso otini ba bidin wo de be na o ye ma MPP platform na wo nam so eye dede enam social media di atem no ade no wini vote platform na nam so ni so no wini vote. The people on the ground and the MPP munti asem we executives no John Boadu Samia Wuku mumfa namfo nto nchen na munyi sa kwa me plus ni free mu life mu na omo a ebo party no ema party ni kwani the grassroots people who are working on the ground in the constituency any ade no mumfa mani nko sankrofo ni so as political party omo na ese mu bo mu campaign na mu beye ni 2020 no mumma campaign nkoye ena munkofa will be like opportunity like Kwame Plus meto ho say ena ono na mo de ne koye mo ni grassroots for na omo an bebra youth no ai wo party ni mu na omo ye committed say obi wo ho a se benya say party ni be wini ame ama ni bibiu na emom ni prayer ne say party ni betimi atena aban mu na nyuma pa omo ye bo man Ghana no atumi aboa na ono nso eniema a wo ye bi atumi akọ anim ebidie no enye say bi pe any profit. But mumu penifon muntie munama allow this stupidity from that guy, that non-entity, that bootlicker. Onu bootlicking no ye or titatarin penifon and or titarom or sorry I nam kimpiski no scan onya no adi. Eti ni wotre na no abeka kakra no pani bia frɛ no. Oh, ade a wo kan ye de nya ne apeka kakra bia ma no. Kene Japan no ne ade. So I say enu nko an no ye. Onya dwuma, ade adwuma no ye. Ti se me amete ye hosla me sorry anopa awomache me kwa djuma we me free ape me kwa djuma me ba fie the next day onye djuma ono ankasa ntimi create bibi for himself and your politics ho and one who say Ghana politicians omo petumi ntino so obi ka bibi a ye be ma usika ye be ye o say and who can bibi against your opponent and one politicians ne pe bibi di amount enti eno no wo ye a wo de bo ne bra. He's one of the unserious people in Ghana. And a Ghana media and so because we give prominence to any idiot. It's media no sankrofo no mo pe because they will bring him on TV, they will bring him etebe say no obi behu ni amani bibi kakra. That is what is going on in Ghana. That is what is going on in Ghana. What I say, Ntama obi sa no pedwuma nye. Abrochire ha no ye we ya, because nobody. Because what you abrochire, bi so bi oti abrochire. Who will mind this? Absolutely nobody. We We have allowed too much stupidity in our political idudo. Now, more MPP penny for. Me catch me say this year election. Muma grassroots to follow. Omo na equal ground akoye duma. Many people risk their life for MPP. But man few and you put all your effort on this non-entity, no idiot. And no sorry, no dimatem, no kikan kwasi asem, and throw ekikan sema enemy etremu because and then you know okokan same way. I know some MPP people who is still giving this guy money. Now at the right time, I'm going to mention all you these people. With evidence. My yebida, I did it the first time. Now of course, I don't honey idea. Now people were telling me say I'm lying. Until I prove to some people, and say no mujimidi. Me, I will not come and sit here and lie about anybody. I will not come and sit here and lie about anybody. Me metra endin tromfo bia me nya hwe mfiri. Me metra endin tro because me politics na omoye no obi antu ameka. Even me maame, me yere, ene me ma, me baba we kro mo mpese me kasa politics. So me ya video no mo ofie ha, obi ampese me kasa. Ba me anam say Ghana hodo. Ene se MPP nso me gitum se omoye bibi pa bebo o man na me. Entatem didi ankrofo di me ne ne ma nyina. Obi anu a wama me even one what friend say Kofi, why we have MPP the €1 that? Nobody from MPP, no one, none, nobody. But you go see who MPP about power. When your opportunity, billions of Ghana cedis, when you be, who Kwame A plus, who san kope kolebu contract, when ya now what 10 say bimu you corrupt. Who is corrupt more than you, Kwame A plus? Who is corrupt than you? Who is more corrupt and a thief than you, Kwame A plus? Oh, when you corrupt him, Ghana ho. When you corrupt than you. Now, oh sorry, and I say MPP this, and Ochina, Nanado this, and Nanado A. I blame the MPP people. Me blame Mumu. I blame you, the executives. And penny for no one, me blame Mumu. Because you still entertain this. Now, the people who suffered for the party, they are more few. Party members are, Obi Oha, Wakoya party, Juma, Ama, we are prano, serious. Kramon Koheno, Munko Hesa de Tier. Obia your party aduma we pra abayo bia minim no mumfi no kra mumfi no what I say mumfi no ye nyina tie ye penanado asem so obetena so biu ye nyina ye penasem but ye afam de anya ye are fine ye are fine se be Ghana na wo ho send this na beba me Kofi mingu me time so ya mewu amingu mabusu ani bia time so ya obewu owu ye bedidi da. What I say, yeah, dear betty. 1804, wait a minute, time or so. That's a me cover. Timmy Pamcho, me do Messia. But me catch MPP in Pennyphone. Said this year election, we make sure. Said Munko fa a type like Kwame Plus and man with you. Concentrate on the grassroots. Concentrate on the people now who are willing. Say they will do something because they love the party deeply. And omo dogana sadia omo yeno they are not doing it because some power mo bepe contract ma on mo mani nko sankrofo ne ho omo ne from say they are committed and loyal and yes somebody like Tisa Kwame Plaza what I say learning yentem waba yentem na munko okay you ntaro for me da se me de mo besia.